So if you've got one of your Swift caravans with the Sargent alarm system, some caravans will have this, but they won't have tracker. But if you have got tracker on your van and you've got this alarm system, the tracker is linked to the alarm. So the couple of ways to use it is top button on your fob. You get a little torch there, ever so handy, trying to get your keys in your lock in the middle of the night. Second button down is your alarm on and alarm off. So if you just quickly press the second button down, get one chirp, that's alarm on. Tilt and rock sensor, and there's also a PIR sensor inside. When you come back to the van, quick press, 2 chirps, alarm off. If you've got a dog and you want to activate pet mode, and you need to leave the dog in the van, what it happens to do is disables the PIR sensor but keeps tilt and rock active. So you press and hold the second button down and you get 3 chirps, 1, 2, 3, and then release, and that deactivates the PIR sensor so the dog can run up and round, heart's content, not set the alarm off. But when you come back from your day out, quick press, 2 chirps, alarm off again. Third button down, it's a little welcome home light. This turns your awning lights off and on, so on a dark night you can see exactly where you're going. And the P button at the bottom is just a program button. You can recalibrate the sensitivity of the sensors and the volume up and down of the alarm. And also, if you have got tracker, which you need to subscribe to, it's from £100 a year, when you're all kitted up with your tracker and ready to go, when you put your alarm on, 1 chirp, your tracker is live. Turn it off, tracker is turned off. So any activation of that alarm when it's on will ping a message to the tracker centre and they'll be in contact with you as soon as possible to tell you what the problem is. Tilt and rock's been activated, PIR's been activated, problems with your battery, problems with the battery in the alarm unit as well. So it's a good little system to have, and from £100 a year, it's probably worth having as well to keep your beautiful caravan where it should be.